And here's my bluebird. Taking a little drink of water. Ah, now he's in the water. Gonna take a little bath, I guess. Yeah. Oh, there's two bluebirds, aren't there? I just recognized it. Oh no, that ain't a bluebird. What the hell is that? I don't think it's, but maybe it is. Must be. Yes, yeah, bluebird. I'm sorry. That's a female bluebird. Yeah. That's a female. She took a shower too. In the meantime, oh wait, they're back. Let me see. One of them's back. Yeah, there we go. That's the male. The male's a darker blue, brighter blue, orange breasts. And in the meantime, oh, he's back again. Yeah, he's back again. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Boom, boom. And there's my little, look at everything's going on here. I got my little wren there going in the house same time. Obviously the wren's getting along good with the bluebirds and the finches. They all get along, those birds. See, I got that